Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. I hope you guys having a wonderful year, so far, hope you're having a wonderful and a pleasant year, so welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica, Kina Life in the USA, right? So we New York now, so we say USA. New York. Yes, guys, so welcome. So yes, guys, I'm making this video to let you know that I'm heading to Florida, so that will be the next move. Gonna head to Florida, gonna be down there for a couple of days also, so a lot of people been contacting me and say, you need to do an official meet and greet in Florida. I don't want to over about almost 2 years now, since I've done the last one there. So I'm heading back down there, so I'm gonna say we're there for a couple of days. So we're gonna do a meet and greet on the 5th, right? On the 5th, we're gonna do a meet and greet, and it's gonna be at R&D Sports Pub. So R&D Sports Pub, that's in Sunset Strip. So it's 6531 Sunset Strip. That's Sunrise, right, Florida. So it's gonna be at R&D Sports Pub. So the address is 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise. So that's in Fort Lauderdale. So that's in Fort Lauderdale. So guys, if you're close by, anywhere you are, so we're gonna start the meet and greet. We're gonna do it from about the time I was thinking about 2 till 5, right, or 3 till 6. I would say din. So I would say I'll put it till 2 till 5, right? So that's on a Sunday, because me know say the next day is gonna be work for each and every one to go back to work. So I don't want to keep you guys out too late, So we're gonna do it till about 2 till around 5 o'clock, right? Because when you say 2, people gonna probably reach there like literally 3 o'clock. So let's put it at 2, so we say 2 till 5. Some people is gonna reach late, depends on where they're coming from. So this is gonna be at the R&D Sports Pub, R&D Sports Pub, and that's in 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale. So that's in the Sunrise where I'm going to meet the Sunrise team, where all the nurses them. So guys, come on down, if you feel like you're coming down with some form of sickness or anything, the nurses them will be there to say, hi, hello, how you doing? How you feeling? So you can explain. Mommy Charmaine, Pat, all the team is going to be there. The Sunrise is going to be out. So we have to big up Renee, because the R&D Sports Pub, is owned by Renee and her husband, so big up on herself, because they're our extended family also. So when you come down, you can get to meet Renee, guys. So come on down, unless we have a joy, I'm going to say, should we bring out the jerk pan? Let's see, So that's where we're going to be on the 5th, which is Sunday. So it's going to be, address again is going to be at the R&D Sports Pub, right? So it's 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale. So just come on down. So you got my contact number, you can reach out to me, or if you don't get me, leave me a message and I will get back to you. But I will be there from 2 p.m. on that day, which is Sunday. So from 2 p.m. guys, feel free to come on down, you know, come let's meet and greet and say hi, how you doing, you know, anything goes every day. Because I got so many phone call for who never got the chance to see me the last time I was there, you know, and I got phone call from, they're literally coming from Orlando to be there. So I'm looking forward to meet you guys, you know. It's been a blessing, you know, on this journey for you guys to be supporting me on my journey. It's nothing but love and love alone. You know, it's only love could I do this, and I thank you for continue fuel my engine for me to continue on my journey, you know, because it's just one way it is just to help each other and to show love, because it's only love. What else can it be more than love, right? You tell me. If you know any other way than love, pay. Show me. You know, but the only other way we know is love and love alone. So that's where it's going to be, guys, on the 5th, you know, which is Sunday coming, you know, at the sports pub, you know, R&D sports pub. So if you don't get the address, you can also Google it as well too. You can Google it. So guys, so please don't be late. So as I say, we're gonna set the time for about 2 till 5, but now to run some people late. So running late, I would say it's gonna run to about 3 till 6. So you know the time set up and our time will be scheduled. So I will be there from about 2 p.m. You know, so that's what that's it. 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale. So catch you down there, guys, in Florida. Here I come. Sunrise, Mommy Charmaine, Patricia, you know, the whole team. I'll be there. Blessings to all my nurse. You know, the thing goes at the sunset, at the sunrise. Big up the whole sunrise team, you know, blessings to all you nurses. So Kino coming down, you know, thing about Dream Team, one team, Sunrise Team, one team. It's the only real team. Blessed love to all. That is it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.